Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to change your display name on Twitter. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your mobile device, your iPhone or your Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Twitter and log in your account. So now, if you are using computer, you want to click on the profile button here at the left side of your screen. And if you are using phone, you want to click on your profile picture at the upper left corner of your screen and click on the profile button. So now, just go ahead and click on the edit profile. And now here at the name section, you want to erase that and type your display name. Okay, so for example, like that. And when you're happy with that, just go ahead and click on save. So now as you can see, my display name is now changed. So that's it. That is how you change your display name on Twitter. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.